bunch of poles. That's maybe just walked up on a couple tools. This one is for sure. I could tell that from a distance. The other one maybe not. It's kind of buried. Yeah, definitely something. Nice. There's some work around the edge there. Put it in your hand just like that. Or like that. Put it just like that. Or you can hold it this way. So, then up here, I was trying to see if I could find 3 or 4. Get a little hot streak, but this may be one. Well, the other side don't feel right. Yeah, I don't think that was just a shiny rock. Huh? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, there's some nice creek work probably. Let you know if I come up on anything else. Oh, is that something? Nope. Let you know if I find anything.